Okay, hello everyone. I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I have here the short O. Short O makes a sound like ah, ah. Let's see how. Hot, hot. It's winter, so it's not hot today. Okay? Mom, mom. I love my mom. Stop, stop. Amen, sir. Stop talking and keep watching. Dog, dog.
I like to take my dog on a walk.
So you have a dog?
Yes.
I don't have, and I don't like dogs. Olive. I like olives a lot. Thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please keep watching me on my page, English with Mr. Habbas, and press the like button. Thank you.